Hey there, welcome back, lovelies. It's me, Abysme. This is a PSA because apparently the world is supposed to end today. Or it was, kind of. Also it's raining, and it's really nice outside, so I figured I'd go ahead and record a video for y'all. Yeah, it's been a minute. Like, 11 months. 8. Can I count? I can't count. 9, maybe? It's been months. I guess a lot of things have been pretty hectic for a while. They still kind of are, so that's why this is not necessarily gonna have all of the effort in it, but that's okay. I figured I might as well go ahead and make a video now. Do my editing magic. Haha. To say that I'm gonna try and get out a couple more videos before the year ends, which would definitely be a lot of activity for me, as opposed to, you know, almost a year of nothing. Yeah, guys, it's pretty peaceful today. So I went out and I'm in my car, I guess. Yeah. Just a little bit of ASMR. Mostly. Well, it doesn't seem like the fall of society is going to be happening today, though. It's pretty nice outside around where I am. We've got some nice rain. We've got some thunder. I love thunder. Ooh, there's some right now. Yep. Pretty excited for the rain, guys. It's real nice, but I'm not gonna make like 3 hours of rain ASMR. I'm pretty sure you can find that anywhere else if you want to. Yeah, I guess that's my PSA. Probably gonna put some interesting visuals in there if I can. This rain is kind of ending like a bit of a heat wave, or a bit of a mini drought, I guess, in the area where I've been. All the plants outside my house are like half dead, so I'm sure they're loving this. Oh yeah, Halloween. Come on, guys. It's been Halloween season for like 2 months. I'm pretty excited with what I've got in the works for this year. It'll be my first year in a while making a costume, so or wearing a costume. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped. I don't have any more words, nothing useful, anyways. Let me think. So yeah, I guess I'll wrap this up and I'll go inside, but I'll leave y'all with a little bit more of that rain, because it's real nice outside. guess that's all I have for today, lovelies. More at 5. I'll keep y'all a little more posted than I have. Guess keep an eye out for new videos. There might be like 3 more this year, maybe. So, yep. Have a time, lovelies. Signing off.